Hello, instructor. I'm making this quick recording for you to inquire something from you. Of course, I'm trying to finish my assignments. It was even before, but I just wanted to find out something from the final enhancement, the enhancement for the at the site that we're building. This is what I did first. I went and I made sure that I query all the tables, both for the classification and then for the inventory. Then I knew that that one would work in the PG admin form. And then I came to my Visual Studio Code and I was able to do that, put that query in here. Then from here, I'm able to get those results that were in the table. And then I can be able to filter the results by finding out what exactly is in line with because the results, the response, the rows that I get, they give me a list of objects. And so my intention was to get each object, pass it into the filter method, and then look at the values of each object. And then through the classification name, the inventory make, and all that, and find out when the user input something in the search, is that one anywhere included or part of the values? And if it is included in the values, then I am able to return that object, then the other object, and then now I can able to get all these objects and then pass them into the HTML, of course, template, and then I can be able to render them as a view. And this is how my site is. This here is what I've added on this site. Of course, anyone can go to the custom, can go to the sedan and all that, but they can even just type in, these are some of the things that I was using to, as I'm trying to make sure that this code works. Even if they just type in 0, because they are columns that have prices, okay, and there are prices that are 000. So if someone just wants to find out what is their price, and they click on that, so what happens is when they click on that, the input value is 000. I get that, I hold it, I query the information from the database, I get it, I parse it, I filter it, then get the object, but target the values of the object. And then I find out each of these values, is there any that corresponds to the 00? Of course, I have to first convert the 00, all the numbers in the columns of miles, convert it to a string, because this is also a string. Convert all of them and make sure that they are strings so that I don't have an error. And then I find out, does this match with what the user has typed in? Yes, it matches. Return that, put it in the template, drain all of that, and render the view. And so this is what, of course, I've not yet done the CSS, the styling for it, but this is what happens. It returns all of any car car type that has any of zero that has it. And even if I just put in, for example, custom, I can just put in custom. That means that I'll have to check for the objectives value that have the custom. And once that one is done, I can be able to have them, and you can see they are all having custom. And so this one makes it easier for the user to find out what kind of, it's just a simpler of finding whatever we have. And then when they do, they can just start to purchase it. But they can also just easily look at the sedan, the sport, and all that. So this is the enhancement that I thought about. And I just want to find out from you if it does meet what is needed, which is the database, the query, and all those kind of things. And then I can now begin to style it as I work on those other projects. And I'm actually grateful that you have given me this opportunity to be able to catch up. I know there's a lot of challenges, but really so grateful. So I'll be looking forward to hear from you very soon as I work on the mining assignments.